what is love? Do you even understand what love is? Or do you even can describe what love is? Love can never be put into words. The moment you put love into words, the essence of love is lost. You are trying to narrow down the path of love. Love is just the state of being. It's a softness of your emotion. It's a sweetness of your emotion. Everything that you touch, feel, and experience would become love. If you love yourself the way you are, if you love the emotions the way it is, if you're comfortable being sad, if you're comfortable being happy, everything that you touch, feel, and experience would be just love. So I pray to all these well beings to feel this love, not to understand what love is. The moment you start understanding love, you don't experience love. Everything cannot be understood by our intellectual mind. Sometimes it's very better to just keep your intellectual mind aside and feel love.